What happened to your iPad, you said?
Potato.
This iPad has a broken screen, and if you're gonna fix an iPad, this is one of the easier ones to do. All you need is a suction cup and some heat, but this part can be a bit sketchy. You can't just open it up. You have to move it back and disconnect this cable. Now you can open it up. This iPad looks really good on the inside, and to remove the screen, we only have 3 screws here. The only thing that needs to be transferred to the new screen are these magnets, these sensors, and these flex cables. Next, we need to clean up the perimeter and reinstall the new screen to test it. I'm not saying that this is easy to do, but it's definitely easier than it was.